Yeah.
Hi everybody, we've got something super important to discuss today, and that's called pandemic punch. So I know we've all been cooped up in the house already for a few weeks, probably going to be a number of weeks more, and clearly we need cocktails. The star in this cocktail is going to be this bottle of Veuve Clicquot. Now I know a lot of us don't just have this hanging around the house, so use whatever you've got, whatever bubbly, Prosecco, champagne, cava, I don't care. Okay, so let's get started. Okay, remember, it's pandemic punch. It's what you have on hand. I've got some vitamin C packed OJ. Pretty much we're going with a mimosa style here, but we're also going to add a little bit of elderflower, Saint Germain. If you don't have that on hand, just go ahead and don't use it, or use any sort of florally liqueur you might have. This is another thing that we had in the house. We've got cuties, so I'm gonna go ahead and add that citrus element as well. And then our garnish is gonna be some rather sort of old strawberries that I also had in the house.
It feels like Casablanca. Shawty, you my little mama. She be on that Henny. I like that Corona. I love her smell. Inhale the aroma. She said those other guys that she had, it was sad. Used to treat her really bad. They remind her of her dad. Okay, let it go. Just forget it for the moment. We can kick it. Let me know a little bit about now. See the past, something we ain't really gotta mention. Although, see, that's just life. She said my smile makes her so warm. I'm so polite with so much charm, and she feels safe inside my arms. Put your sunglasses on when the roof get cold. Let your hair blow out. Shawty, tell me what you want. Baby, I keep it pimpin'. You're welcome to it. Baby, I keep it pimpin'. You're welcome to it. I got a crib by the water. Say mi casa, su casa. It feel like Casablanca. Shawty, you my little mama. I got a crib by the water. Say mi casa, su casa. It feel like Casablanca. Shawty, you my little mama.
Oh, screw it. It's a pandemic, right? Now that's the way to drink punch. Cheers, friends.